I want to show you how to fix any glass skylight to metal. The transition, very important. Caulking doesn't work. Caulking always comes loose. You can see I can even peel it up now. Caulking is not a solution for any seal between a metal and glass. It's simple. Anybody can do it. First of all, you have to clean the glass, of course, and then I'm going to put some masking tape just to make it look nice from the inside, just about an inch away from the seal. I take sandpaper, doesn't matter what grit you take. I sand the glass, I score the glass a little bit. I'm scoring the glass so the silicone has a better grip on it. It will grip to the glass even if you don't do it, but it's very good to do this. Glass scored and the tape around. It was gonna rain and I know about the leak, so I did some caulking and made a mess. So I want to remove that caulking. You cannot just go, so to get it nice and smooth with this metal, the transition, you cannot just go over humps and bumps. Okay, remove the caulking. That was temporary. You can see, look how, look, caulking is not, you can tell the caulking is not holding. See that? And look, caulking doesn't stick to other caulking. Very temporary. Okay. After cleaning up, I'm going to use thinners now. I'm in Mexico, and that's what they sell you as lacquer thinners. But if you go to Home Depot, you get lacquer thinners. And you use lacquer thinners to clean the surface where the caulking was. When you see caulking like this is a mess. You cannot just go over that. Remove it. Remove it as much as you can. Look at it. Didn't even stick properly. Now you can leave that caulking there because that's a nice transition from the glass, so it fills up a hollow, the void underneath it. I also sand the metal places because of residue of the silicone. You cannot always get it off even with the thinner, so I make sure that the metal has a good grip to it. I want a good surface where I can attach the fleece to. So after cleaning and preparing everything, then you can start putting the super silicone. Now, we use a fleece, very important. There's screws in the way here. I don't want to go with my fleece over the screws. I'm just going to cut around the screws like that. Any obstacle like that, you don't want to go over it. It will make a void underneath the fleece, which will not adhere properly, but always good to mix anyway. And I apply this is the easy part. Okay, once you preparation is the hardest. Once you got it prepared, this is the easy part. It's like painting. Okay, so I apply the fleece over the silicone and I put another coat over this. I'm putting a fleece around the screw hole, just like that, see? And that hole is covered with fleece and silicone. It can rain within 20 minutes after you apply this. It takes about 24 hours to 48 hours to cure. Remove the tape. As soon as you got done, look how nice. This is the next morning after we did the super silicone seal. It rained last night, and look, let me get the water off here, and look, unbelievable. It's smooth. This is the way to seal anything from metal to glass or metal, any transition, but it's smooth. It's not like caulking, and it sticks. Look, sticks to the metal, sticks to the glass. It is really an unbelievable product, and this will last 20 years. We have no clue. It's UV protected. It sticks to the glass. Here's the key: preparation. You have to prepare your seal or whatever you want to do very well. Yeah, the sealant is very good, but if your preparation is bad and you want to go over silicone caulking and other tar and junk, it's never going to work well. You may have problems. So the best advice I can give you is clean. Take off any old junk. It's very good. Next video. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, bye-bye.